We're just going to do some final checks before recording. So if you go into the menu, again by pressing the menu button on the side, then you need to find the record mode menu. So scroll up or down until you find the rec mode menu. So hit the button to go into that. And now you've got two choices of recording modes. We've got multi-file or stereo file. I recommend that you use multi-file to begin with, so make sure that is selected and that goes back to the main screen. One other setting to check is the record format. So again, into the menu, and this time you want to find the rec menu. So find that and select it. And the first option there is rec format. So that's your recording format. So select that. And you have a list of choices here. And we would always recommend that you use WAV 48 kilohertz 24-bit. If you scroll down to that setting, WAV 48 kilohertz 24-bit, and select that. And then that is all done. So again, you can hit the menu button and again, and that takes you back to the main recording screen.